Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Scholars Hive. Friends, today we will talk about essay writing. Friends, essay writing. An essay means yours brief opinion about any topic. I said yours own opinion, not of any teacher or bookish knowledge. Only keen observation and vast reading can help us for creative and self-writing. Essay writing is an art. Literally, it means to make an attempt at writing something or about something. It is a test of one's knowledge and expression. It is called the mirror of mental capabilities, index of inner feelings and emotions. It demands a lot of practice. Only practice makes a man perfect. So friends, today we are going to discuss about the types of essays. First, narrative essays means telling a story. It deals with narrating an incident or story. It is in the first person. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about a real life experience. It challenges students to think and write about themselves. It is written in the first person I. Its sentences give readers a feeling of being part of the story. A well crafted essay makes a personal statement, for example, dreams or my hobby. Descriptive essays means painting a picture. It describes a place, an object, an event, or maybe a memory, but it is not just describing things. The writer must paint a picture through his or her words. A cousin of the narrative essay, its writer describes a person, place, object, or memory of special significance. It strives to communicate deeper meaning through sensory details. For example, to shown with colorful words, not to tell. Best essay appeals to the reader's emotions. For example, the importance of English in modern age. Expository or argumentative essays. Just the facts. It demands real and extensive knowledge about the subject. There is no scope for writer's feelings and emotions in it. It is completely based on facts. It is an informative piece of writing. The writer explains or defines a topic. We can say expository or argumentative essays as comparison and contrast essays, or the cause and effective essays. The how to or process essays. It is based on facts and examples, not personal feelings. For example, unemployment. Persuasive essays. Convince me. Having the power to introduce action or belief. It is in the form of an argument. It is an attempt to convince the reader of the writer's point of view. The goal of it is to convince the reader to accept the writer's point of view or recommendations. The writer must build a case using facts and logic, examples, expert opinion, and sound reasoning. The writer should present all sides of the argument but must be able to communicate clearly. For example, science in the service of man. How to make an outline of an essay? First, definition. Second, merits. Third, demerits. Fourth, role in society. Fifth, how to overcome it, means conclusion. Format of an essay. First, introduction. Second, body of essay. Third, conclusion. Friends, here I'm going to share a few tips for essay writing. First, give your essay an interesting and appropriate title. Second, keep it between 300 or 500 words. This is an ideal length. Number 3, keep your language simple because complicated and difficult words break the flow of the sentence. Number 4, Do not make grammar mistakes. Use correct punctuation and spellings before writing an essay. Number 5. Before writing an essay, organize thoughts and plot a rough draft. Number 6. Do not write too long sentences.